You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you. I'm digging. It's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless. Got me breathless.
Bonjour, bonsoir, bienvenue sur ce channel là. Bienvenue. Ça qu'a fait me dire moi comment nous y je dis en photo de vidéo pour nous même. Nous ka wè c'est veille fête moi. Cheveux yo dégaillé, lis yo sorti là-dedans yo. Pas étirer make-up dans yeux moi. Parce que m'vle filmer vidéo wa. So Owen.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm filming a video. And then after this, we can talk, okay? You can sit on the, you wanna sit on the bed and read the Bible?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Anyways, nous connaissons avant de commencer la vidéo, faut me dire merci à tout abonnés mieux. Merci pour support nous, moi nous en pile. Nous comme ça déjà. Pas oublier pour continuer à partager channel avec toute famille, avec tous les amis et ou même qui a regardé channel là qui pourquoi abonner. Par contre ça obtient bien jeune team Didine ou pas pour regret. Ça nous pas parler trop en notre en la vidéo. Mais ça moi, petite vidéo ça et pendant me dit comme ça bon regarder cadeau moi recevoir pour faire moi. Pas citer non moun, pour moi juste montrer ça me recevoir. Et puis me dit pour ça me faire vidéo parce que la plus vidéo me ka joindre pour me poster pour nous. So me dit que t'as commencé déjà. So we get valise ça. So cute. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. It is so cute. Regardez que je le fais. It's real cute. I love it. Thank you so much. Then I have this boot. No boot là. It is so cute.
Mommy. This is boot.
Yeah. Ma fon hol ensemble avec. Ma fon hol encore et puis laisse ma mettre pour nous ouais. So it's real cute. Bak attendre pour mesurer parce que m'd'abord l'acheter une qui long comme ça. Vraiment aimer jouer ça fait là. Hopefully Christmas go assez. Oh, when it's beautiful. Which one do you like? This one?
And the shoes.
I'll make it là. I'm gonna do it next. Ma prendre après. Okay? It's gonna be next.
No.
Je souhaite Christmas go assez pour partir ça.
It's not.
Parce que il y a long la pour Christmas. Parce que s'il passe Christmas il pas belle. Tu as les îles voyer mal prend point.
Mommy.
What?
I need Papa did a boot
Yeah, it's a boot.
and the shoes.
Yeah. Okay, then I have a card.
Mommy.
A card. So ma pili après.
Mommy.
Huh?
Have a card.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut.
Yeah,
Then I have Good Girl, Carolina, New York, en parfum.
Maya.
Good Girl. The name is Good Girl.
Mommy.
Okay.
It's Maya.
Yeah. Ma prends ça après.
Look. It's Maya.
Hein?
Maya.
Polaya. What is Polaya? I said Good Girl.
Cup girl.
Carolina.
Kawaii.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Mommy.
Yeah, boo.
That's Kawaii.
Carolina. Carolina Herrera. I don't know. Si
Kawaii.
bien prononcé par là parce que c'est un mot espagnol quoi li.
Look.
Oh, look at the presentation. Regardez Johnny Fett.
Look.
Oh.
Look, mommy.
Me like it.
Look, mommy.
Ça peut paraître tellement belle dans closet moi hein. Like, thank you.
Look. I
Oh.
just choose
It's not a shoe. It's my perfume.
Mommy, it's a perfume.
Look at this hottie.
Mommy,
I love. Oh,
Mommy,
look how where ki sot de zami m gen.
Mommy, it's a perfume. It's
Yeah.
a perfume.
It's a perfume.
No,
You know when film pale.
no.
Let's put it back inside. Ui, careful.
Put it back inside.
Yeah. And then I have this Guess wallet. I'm getting
Mommy,
on
it's
boost.
a dress.
On boost Guess.
Mommy,
Nou e zami m yo e moun ki gen gou.
Mommy, dress.
Se moun ki gen gou, chéri. Ba mwen kes ki te ba mwen. I hope
Mommy,
they put their names. Let me see.
look.
Oh, okay. Okay. I know who.
Mommy,
Hmm?
you this red one.
Yes, look at this one. From who?
Who did go?
Oh my god.
Oh my
When me
god.
moun nan ko?
I know
Oh my god. IT. This straight from Haiti. What? Look at this, you guys.
Look. On the fire. It's a
You make it IT.
mommy.
You guys can
Is
see it?
Mommy.
Huh?
It's a high C.
Yeah, li make it IT.
We made it high C.
Can you spell IT?
Yes.
Spell it, Haiti. Spell it.
HAIDI. Haiti.
Yes. Good job. It's so cute.
Look.
Is it cute?
Yes.
It's real cute.
Haiti. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
No.
You took the one kisakte under sa. What's it really?
It's money.
Okay, can you get this for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so that's our from Guess.
Box.
Yeah, books.
Here,
That's our
box.
from Guess. Sorry.
Here, box.
Oh my god, you guys. Look at this hot mama. Bama ki size ni.
Mommy, it's a hot mom.
It's a what what do you know about hot mom?
It's hot mom.
I love it.
I love it.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Mm.
No.
Bama ki aski bama.
No.
Oh, I know who.
I'm a present. Balloon.
Mo gon valise Guess ki pal match ensemble avec sandal la.
Puss.
Okay.
Mommy.
Est-ce que nous parlons si nous est purple ça? Il a deux.
Puss.
Mhm. What is this?
Puss.
It's a purse.
Mommy.
Hmm?
Your pocket puss.
Mhm. So cute, you guys.
G-U.
Oh, you wanna spell it?
Yes.
Okay, Guess. Guess.
G-U-E-S-S. Kiss.
Guess.
G-U-E-S-S. Kiss.
Good job.
Look.
Mm.
It's kiss.
I love it. Nou wè zami myo?
Now.
Se zami ki gen gou.
Hi.
This one now?
Yes. This now.
Mhm.
Wow. You do.
Wendy, wow! Mpa dve montre non?
Mommy.
Paske non wè nan la ou
Mommy,
Kelly. Sa se
it's rough.
Elizabeth Harden. Elizabeth Harden. Red Door.
Mommy.
Red Door. Okay?
Mommy.
Love it.
Mommy.
Yes, Bookie.
It's a red door. You red door.
Okay, you can spell the red door. Avancez là. Viens chita là. Right there. Go ahead.
Red.
Mhm.
I-E-D.
Mhm.
Red.
Mhm.
D-O-O-R. Door.
Good job. Mwah.
A red door.
Red Door.
Door.
Mda pal ouvel pou mpren sot li tou, men gen le map bezwen yon sizo.
You see
Mba ka chye la seman avem mem. So, map pre sot li apre. Okay. Ma present li apre. Go get this one for me.
Mommy.
Go get this one for me, me.
Mommy.
Yes, Baba.
Look,
No, pas applicateur. That's not what I said.
it's applicated.
It's not applicateur. Oh my God, Owen. Now I have, I'm going to valise encore
Mommy.
from Aldo.
Mommy.
Yes, Baba.
You put Aldo.
Yes, for Aldo.
You put A-L-D-O. Aldo.
Thank you. Good job.
It's
Look at this, you guys. Regardez ça. Ça son marron avec un crème.
look.
So cute. I'm playing valise.
Aldo.
Aldo.
Mommy.
Thank you so much. Merci, merci. Okay.
Bye.
Merci, mes amours. Back no mais non.
Aldo.
Now this one. There's another Aldo bag. Go not bag Aldo la.
Mommy.
Hmm?
It's Aldo.
Be careful. Okay.
You
I
put-
know who's this from. I'm gonna ki eski
you
voyele.
put Aldo.
That's not Aldo. That's the card. But
You put Aldo.
no, don't take it. Me Aldo. Vinila. Oh, Owen. What's so again? Sako again. What you gonna do? You gonna spell it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aldo. A-L-D-O. Aldo.
Yeah.
It's for Aldo.
Good job. Got the way? My goodness.
My
So
God.
pretty. Back in valise blanc.
Oh,
So wow.
look.
Mwen met ti pompon sa ki la.
Look. It's a ball. Look.
Owen pran video an mem, okay? Sorry guys, but
Mommy.
yes, Bookie.
Sorry, guys.
Shita.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
It's okay, guys.
It's okay, guys.
Now, why?
No, I'll put lot la. I'll take the purple for mommy.
This is
Thank you.
it's purple one.
Mhm.
Now, lucky.
Ang gade non. Mba we non moun na sa.
Look,
But li gen cut, so
mommy.
you gon cut, so maybe li make it, maybe li ekri no. Oh, well, I'm talking, yeah. Maybe li mette non on the cut la.
You bucket.
What do we have here?
You bucket.
Premièrement,
You bucket, mama.
yeah. Premièrement, gon bracelet.
Look,
There's a bracelet.
mommy. It's a bracelet.
Mwen me couleur bleu sa.
You put that. Look.
Then mwen gen yon Victoria's
Look,
Secret.
mommy.
Victoria's Secret bag.
Mommy.
That's a makeup bag. I think c'est pour mettre toiletries. Pour mwen mette makeup ou bien mwen mette. Ok, shh, yeah. Ou bien pou mwen mette comme si lem bal soti. Yes? Jerry? Oh, yeah.
Jerry.
Mwen mette comme si bagay pou mbenye, crème, bagay sa yo. So, go give Uncle a hug.
Yeah, okay.
So that's a toiletry bag. And then mwen gen Victoria's Secret Very Sexy. Okay?
Uncle.
Very sexy. Oh, mwen men package sa. Mwen men package la, li son velvet. They wear velvet with class. Very sexy. I don't want you to spell that.
Uncle. Where's game?
Oh, Owen, be careful.
Uncle.
Mwen men package la too.
Okay.
Nice.
This
Mba vle spray li parce que mbal get trop stress mwen e mbal ben. Mbap gaspiller anye.
Uncle.
Yi santi bon.
Mommy.
Yi santi bon.
Now. This is.
The red one. Take the red one. Take the red one.
Mommy.
Take the red one. Thank you. Mba wen non, but lem li cut la maybe. Ma weki non moun. Pa move li, Owen. Pa move li. Please. Por favor.
Yes.
Kwenye am gen rad.
Look.
What is this one?
Thank you.
Ça c'est un robe. un robe army color.
Our milk candle.
Next, un bel robe rouge. Dem fon hol na we. Owen, descend chita. Descend chita. And then nan même rad la anko yon noir. Okay. And then un bel valise. Oh my God, moi mais je prends valise la fête là. So cute. Moi mais genre matériel là est vraiment belle. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tale, ou drink parce que fini, un seul more. Go get the orange one.
Mommy.
Yes,
Daddy. You got the orange one.
yes. Oof.
Mommy.
You can, okay, thank you.
Oh.
This is Flower Bomb by Victor Wolf. Flower Bomb by Victor Wolf.
Lift the wall.
Nice.
Look.
I love the packaging. Ba mi vle ouveli because it's so cute. Boko wap ouvel. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna smell good. Back I smell it from here. Parce que bon plastic encore qui colle sur ça. But I like it. Thank you so much. Can you put all of them inside of the bag for me, please? Ou ka mette yon de valise la pou mwen? Ka mette l pou mwen? Okay, thank you. Alright guys, so c'est ça me te recevoir pour fête moi. Moi dit tout le monde merci. Okay, thank you. Go give it to Uncle Jerry. Yeah, go give it to Uncle Jerry. Go. Yes. Je vous souhaite enjoy cette vidéo ça c'est ça me recevoir pour fête moi. Merci en pile à tout le monde qui était venu célébrer ensemble avec nous. Malgré que il y a pile monde qui pas ka make it last minute à cause de un paquet de bonnes inconvénients qui étaient arrivés, mauvaises nouvelles, etc. Owen, go get it from Uncle Jerry for me again.
Tell Uncle Jerry.
Tell Uncle Jerry to give it back to you. Yeah. And then bring those for me. Voilà les m'ka fin la vidéo. But merci m'se te enjoy vidéo pas oublier battre 1% like ton commentaire par en bas pour moi même. Abonnez avec channel là si vous pouvez faire ça et puis n'a pas encore dans la vidéo. Bye. I'm done.